Okay, hello and welcome to the International School of Traders, and welcome to the one of the biggest weeks in trading. This is the non-farm payrolls week. This is where we are expecting the US to report some of the job numbers. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Mo Mtian, the CEO and founder of the International School of Traders. This past 2 days, we have been blessed to have one of our sisters from the mentorship group. She has been here for past 2 days. Unfortunately, she's out for lunch. I was gonna, call her to come and say hi to you guys, but yeah, she has been here for 2 days. We have been diving in deep into the market, and it's okay. Right, it's okay. It's so nice. Everything is nice. She's happy, and we are also happy, to see her here and learning. She's a fast learner as well. That's very nice. Okay, cool. So nice. I'm gonna be going through the markets very quickly. I'm gonna start off with the news items on what's going on today. So on the news items, we've got a couple of things going on, right? So obviously we know that today is Tuesday, the 4th of April. So we also know that we do have a holiday in China, right? That's a holiday in China today, or let me just say in Hong Kong and China, right? Cool. And then we did receive some news earlier today, especially interest rates decision from the Reserve Bank of Australia. And then we do have a couple of things that have already happened in terms of the news, especially Spanish news. But what we can look at, right, we can look into what's going on this afternoon. JOLTS job openings coming up at 4 p.m. South African time. And then I think that's the most important ones. And then we do have South African Reserve Bank monetary policy review at 6 o'clock. That's going to be very, very interesting. I want to be hearing what's going on if I do get a chance, right? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So let's dive into the markets. I'm going to start off with a couple of trades that we spoke about over the last couple of weeks and days, and also the trades that we are holding today, that we have today, right? Okay, cool. So I'm going to start off with a USD which is a trade that which hit our take profit or target last week. This was a nice trade. I was very happy to have this trade. And then what can we expect on USD Well, at this moment, at this juncture, what we can expect for me is some sort of a continuation to asset upside. Continuation to asset upside on this market, looking at these beautiful equal highs over here that we have. I believe market is going to look to go and clear out or touch again on these areas. So this is very, very important and key for me. Another thing that we can also look at is 1 hour time frame. So an hour time frame is obviously a beautiful chart. But for now, for me, we don't have a confirmation. Please excuse me. So for now, we don't have that confirmation on a 4 hour, on a 2 hour, 1 hour time frame. Maybe on other time frames, yes, but not on a 1 hour time frame in this particular case. So watch out for USDCHF. What we can see over the next couple of hours is that the market will take 10 or change direction at any of the given or at any of these points that might be very effective. Let me just show you. So expecting a little bit of a continuation to the downside. If this is going to be the area, then we're expecting market to push all the way up back to that area that we have there. So for me, this is sort of a good trade. Okay, cool. And then we do have, okay, we've discussed GBP, JPY in the past, but at the moment we don't have anything. US 100, we've discussed US 100 in the past, but at the moment I don't have anything except the possibility to sell this market over the next couple of hours, right? So we do have a possibility to see, okay, there is a possibility that we are going to see markets changing directions in and around these areas that I'm going to show you just now. I'm just looking for this thing. Okay, cool. Which would be very interesting, right? To see if market's gonna feel this as a stumbling block and then change towards the downside once again. So that would be very, very, very interesting. Then we look at AUDUSD. AUDUSD is a trade that I actually was looking at yesterday. Ended up not sending it through. We were with Sponil. I was with Sponil at that time, and we were looking at ADSD. There's a lot of things that we covered on this chart alone, but the structure seems to be against us or our idea at this moment in time. So I'm just gonna let it pass. USD CAD went against us last week, so nothing. Okay, there is something that we can get out of this trade or setup, right? So if I can just change to 1 hour time frame. Forgive me if you see my PC, very, very, very slow. Okay, cool. So USD CAD, very important trade, right, that we lost over the last couple of days. I don't know if this trade was sent to the groups, but USD CAD has been one of those trades. But at this moment, what we can expect on USD CAD, right, is a market changing direction towards the downside, right? For some of you who are looking into that, we might see market coming down, as we have seen markets coming down to this area, right? So it might use any of these areas as an area of retracement, and then change direction to the downside. We will see how things go and how this market reacts. But this is like key trade that we are looking at here. It's a very good trade on USD CAD. We look into Euro USD. I know we've discussed something with Sponida this morning on USD, on Euro USD, and also on USD ZAR. So we'll just look into that quickly. I don't know why this PC has decided to become so slow. It always becomes so slow when it's time for an online session. I don't know why. But we do have other things as well, guys. EuroCAD is one of the trades that I sent through earlier. This is a trade and a setup for most of you who are looking at this market. We've already triggered our sell limit order or situation here, where we are expecting market to change direction at least just below or at the 61.8 towards the downside on this particular trade or setup in the year. So this is very, very important, since we are looking to see markets clearing some lower lows. I mean, it's clearing out these equal lows over the next couple of days or hours in this particular case right here. Okay, cool stuff. So yeah, the market has triggered the trade and it's active at the moment, and we'll see how the market responds after a couple of trades that we've already sent. So Yeah. Also, for those of you who are in and around Richards Bay, or you can just make it to Richards Bay for your one-on-one sessions and courses, you can be able to book yours using the number that I'm going to put on the description, especially if you're seeing this on YouTube. If you're seeing this on YouTube, then please do like and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to this channel. I am going to be delivering more and more content on trading. See you guys on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom.